If you want to pass the 2026 PMP exam on your first attempt, you need a plan that saves you time and keeps you focused. PMI has changed the structure, the questions, and the domain percentages. I'm going to show you a 30-day roadmap that gets you exam ready without confusion or wasted effort. This plan gives you a clear, practical approach that fits your schedule and builds the mindset the 2026 examination content outline expects. If you want the fastest route to your certification, stay with me because this roadmap works. Here are the updates that matter. The exam now has 185 questions instead of 180. Your total time is 240 minutes instead of 230. The new domain weights are people at 33%, process at 41%, business environment at 26%. Expect more scenario-heavy questions, more reading, and more interactive formats like matching, case clusters, and graphical interpretation. The exam is more realistic and definitely more demanding. The exam is built around judgment, not memorization. PMI wants to see how you handle real project situations. Use these decision cues. Does this support the long-term goal? Does this protect value? Does this help the team? Does this align with the strategy and the ethics? When your answers reflect leadership and balance, the exam becomes easier to navigate. Days 1 to 10. Build your base. Read the examination content outline. Start your updated 2026 PMP course. Practice 10 to 15 questions every single day. Focus on people and process domains. Pay attention to how PMI frames the scenarios. The goal is understanding the patterns, not memorizing the terms. Day 11 to 20. Deepen your reasoning. Do topics that confuse you. Do topics around all of the three domains. Work through longer scenario-based questions. Review your mistakes and write down what led to them. Practice eliminating the incorrect options quickly. Spend around 15 minutes a day on business environment related topics. This builds judgment and accuracy. Day 21 to 30. Simulate and strengthen. Take 2 full-length mock exams. Simulate the 240 minutes with no shortcuts. Review every mistake in detail. Revisit weak areas based on your scores. Practice reading long scenarios faster and more confidently. Your goal now is stamina and consistency. Remember, PMP is also an examination of physical duress. You only need 3 things: the official examination content outline, 1 updated PMP course, and a simulator with heavy scenario-based questions. A tight resource stack gives you faster progress. In your final week, do 1 mock early on. Review your mistakes, journal them. Review the keywords like prevent, first, and next. Read business environment summaries. Sleep well and keep your routine steady. This week is for confidence. It is not for new content. If you follow this 30-day plan with discipline, you will walk into the exam ready and confident. Comment 30-day plan if you want a full printable version.